What is up, guys? So, by the thumbnail and title, you guys already know what we're about to do. I'm about to change the boots on the shifter placement right here, the shifter place right here, and the e-brake boot that goes right here. I already have an aftermarket e-brake handle. It's a fully carbon fiber, no suede, so it looks a little weird with the leather. I know there's one that has wrapped ALCANTERA, which is suede. So I just decided to do a custom one and did it to match this shifter boot that I'm gonna put right here. And it's gonna be obviously black leather, black suede with red stitching to match the interior. And then for the shifter, we're gonna be using a F30, I believe, F30 style, but make sure to grab yourself a conversion kit if you're gonna put it on a later model or e-chassis, right? Is it e-chassis? And yeah, just make sure it fits on. And then if you guys need any custom shifter boot, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram at HGZ Upholstery, and we could work it out and see if I could ship you guys one. But obviously I'm gonna be selling those, and if you guys want matching ones, we could also do that. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. So first off, to take it off, you're obviously gonna probably have the stock stock little shifter boot and the stock
Shift knob.
So the first thing you want to do is you're gonna put the car in I forgot what this is called, like just turn on your switch on your car. You don't have to fully turn it on, and then you're just gonna put it in drive. And I suggest you first get a flathead and just work yourself around the edge of this little like bracket thing, this trim piece around here, and just slowly try prying it evenly on all sides. And then once you do that, you want to grab your shift knob or whatever, and just pull it as hard as you can out. And if you have a button, make sure to press on the button, because if you go like that, it's not gonna come off. So just press on the button and pull off. And I know this is a fucking manual shift knob, but we just had this one for the moment because it's more comfortable than the big ass bulky OEM one. So, and then for this one, it's gonna be the exact same thing. You're just gonna open up here, and then you're just gonna pry it off with the flathead as well. And then this one's gonna be a little harder to pull if you have still the stock one, but it should come out the exact same as the shift knob. Just pull it as hard as you can. It's gonna be harder, but you can get it done. So I think first let's install this one, no? So first is gonna be the easiest one. This is the easiest one because I don't need to do no connections or anything. It's just simply putting it in from here and then just clipping it on. My bad if the car is a little dirty right now, but alrighty. So like I said, first things first, you open up here and you want to work yourself around getting it there. And the first thing you want to do is getting the actual, so first things first, you want to make sure you get the handle placed right. Put it all the way back as far as you can. Once it hits, that's that. And then next things is just putting on the actual trim where it's supposed to go. My tip is just to slide it and clip it, and just like that you get yourself aftermarket and tuck in all the extra Alcantara or extra leather you have. And then and then also make sure to have it up, it's much better. And then just kind of pull on it a little bit, and then just work yourself around the clips and you should be done. Alright, so next up is gonna be the shift knob with the boot. And then what I did here is I passed obviously all the wires through first and the little tab shit, and then also I put a zip tie right here. Hold up guys, my bad. Alright, and then I put a little zip tie right here, so that just it won't just go down by itself because there's no actual support on it. Alrighty, so next up we are gonna put the wires where they're supposed to go, kind of right here on the edge, and then obviously the little hole right here, just to not stretch the wires, because you never want to stretch wires. And then we're gonna put it leave it on P. And then also I'm gonna leave in the description the guy that I got the idea off. I forgot his name. His name is kind of weird, but I'll leave his YouTube video in the description if you guys want to see kind of where I got the idea. It's not exactly the same, but he definitely gave me the idea. So if you guys want to check him out, go ahead. But I'm doing a little bit different. So next up, we're gonna wire it. We're gonna put yellow and red with yellow and red on the actual car. So it's gonna be, oh shit, my bad, wrong side. So it's gonna be yellow with red, yellow with red, green and blue with green and blue. And then you want to make sure you put female with male. So it's gonna be, the female is gonna be with the one with the hose, and then the males are gonna be these, the ones that actually have like stuff sticking out. And then you obviously wanna go ahead and install it. Make sure you're putting it right and be very careful, because you don't want to bend the actual wires, or I mean the actual little sticks. Okay, so after you get all the wires connected, make sure you connect them right. And then for this one, each of them are going to be different, but you get the same one. Make sure the tab connects with the flat space, not the actual clip, if you get what I mean. Just like this little tab, the one that comes with it, slip it on the flat side, not the other side where it has the little tab. And then you want to make sure you put it in D to first install the actual shift knob, and then in N to have it centered so that you could put the actual trim. So right now I have it in M. I have everything connected, as you can see. Light is on. And then all you want to do is just clip it. Oh, so once you do that, make sure things go all around, because it has clips all around. And then if you have a little bit of pieces sticking out on the sides, you could just grab yourself your handy dandy, I was gonna take out my debit card, but you never know, if I just get popping, you guys might try to scam me. So you're just gonna get a card, and then just kind of like tuck everything away, just so not extra fucking materials poking out. But I think I should be good. Check out this side, flush. Is it flush on that side?
Hell yeah, dude.
And then just like that, and just tuck in everything, because you don't want everything poking out. And then back to D, and then just like that. Damn, this is actually smaller than I thought, but that's good. We don't want no bulky shit. And just like that, we got the matching carbon fiber with the black Alcantara red stitching. Black Alcantara with the red stitching right here. It's kind of hot up in this bitch, guys, but check it out. I'm gonna go a little more back so you guys can get a better view. This 335 is gonna have a full red interior, so that is why we're doing red stitching. So check it out, guys. Black Alcantara. So that's gonna conclude today's video, guys, for the just a little light mod for the interior, but I think it really changes the whole look of it. It's definitely gonna make it look more modern, but you just have to get these boots. And if you guys really need them, you guys could hit me up, like I said, on HDZ Upholstery, and we could work something out, get a price point for you guys, and you could do it fully custom, whatever material you wanted, whatever stitching. And then yeah, stay tuned for other videos. We're gonna be doing the interior, because we're changing up the interior, and then also a little more trim for the steering wheel. But yeah, guys, a little short video for you guys. Thanks for watching, and check out the other vids and shit.